So, hello, we're very delighted to have you for our International Orthodontics Congress, which is going to take place in Interexpo Center. And it's going to be on the 15th and 16th of February 2025.
Thank you very much.
So, I want to ask you, do you think that your lecture is going to capture the attention of our participants, and why?
That's what I am looking forward to. I would like to invite all of the members to attend the lecture, because the idea is that within the digital world that we are living now, like everyone has a phone and a computer, and we're seeing a lot of IT stuff. The orthodontics is now in the digital world, and we can see everything that we are going to do with our patients before we even start. So analyzing the treatment plan before you even start, you understand better all the different stages, and also helps you monitor and make sure that everything that you plan is really working. So we are going to talk about diagnosis, planning, and predictability. How to make your treatments more predictable. If you make your treatments more predictable, then you're going to have better outcomes.
Amazing. Okay. So you talked about the digitalization, and why do you think aligners are revolutionary?
Aligners, they have been out there for quite a while. They have been out there for at least a couple of decades, and technology improves quite rapidly. And I think they're revolutionary because being able to treat patients in a more comfortable way, and also in a way that patients would be aware of what their outcome will be, without the need of maybe having something that would actually change their daily routine. So imagine that with the aligners, you can remove them to eat, you can remove them to brush. So your daily routine, your daily activities are not disrupted. So it keeps the patient in their normal pace. But it is very important to state that the patient is the most important piece of this puzzle here. The more the patient understands the process, and that's why digital is so nice, because you can explain to the patient what the digital process is and what the outcome will be, then they will be very cooperative. Then we are going to have the best results.
Thank you very much. Okay, so tell us more about yourself. Why did you choose dentistry and orthodontics?
Wow, that's an amazing question, because I was actually born and raised within a dental office. My mom and dad, they're both dentists. They graduated together, and 1 week after they graduated, they got married. And then 1 year after that, then it came me. And I was born inside a dental office. And I saw the dental office since I was actually crawling around the room. And then it was so nice to see how my parents were taking care of different families. And then I had 2 sisters, and then all of a sudden, the whole family, they turned out to be dentists. So my dad, my mom, me, and both my sisters were all dentists. I also graduated and got married to a dentist that was at school with me. So we breathe dentistry all the time. And orthodontics for me is really a passion, because we can change occlusion, change smiles, change lives, and that's very rewarding to see how the patients feel very comfortable and very happy after their treatments are done.
Yeah, you make them happier.
Yes.
Yeah.
So everyone should be happy, right? But if you can make them even happier, then it's even better.
Okay. So one last question.
Oh, the last already? Okay.
Okay. A large part of our audience is young dentists who have just graduated.
Nice.
So, from your perspective, a person who has more than 26 years of practice in this in this industry, what advice can you give them?
The young and the restless. It is so nice, because when you're young and when you get out of school, you actually think that you can do everything, so you feel very powerful. But it's very important to gather a lot of information. And it's so nice to see those young dentists attending the congresses, attending the conferences, because education and knowledge is a never-ending process. This is something we always have to be searching for. And it is so nice to have them engaged into the digital world because they were raised into a digital era. That's much different than when I was born and raised, as you mentioned, like doing ortho 26 years ago. The internet was barely there, and now we're communicating here with a phone filming us. So it is so fascinating. So I see a bright future for orthodontics, and I see a bright future for those young dentists and young orthodontists that will be attending. So please, I want to see you there in February.
Amazing. Thank you very much. We need more lecturers like you.
Thank you.
And we are very looking forward to having you on our conference.
Thank you very much. It's going to be my pleasure, and it's going to be my second time in Bulgaria. I'm looking forward to that.
It's going to be even more amazing. So
Thank
see
you.
there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.